Hi, I'm Sanu, and in this video, we'll be looking into the singleton design pattern. For someone who's new to design patterns, he will get addicted to it. Let's go. First of all, to learn about what exactly is a singleton design pattern, I'll link in a video of Christopher O'Cravier. I guess I am saying his name right. Amazing stuff. Feel free to check it out. So, why exactly is the singleton pattern used, you may ask? We use it to manage a shared resource. Shared in the sense that every separate part of the application accesses the same entity, which can be a display, a file, or a console. As we want just one instance of a class handling all the requests so that we don't run into concurrency issues and it becomes easier to maintain requests while accessing or displaying the data. Where is a singleton pattern most useful? It is most useful in logging messages to the console when your application runs, reading configuration settings at a system startup one by one, and a lot of other cases. Now coming to implementation details. We need a class with a private constructor so that no class other than the singleton class can make an instance of that object. Let's see how that's done. So what I've done here is I've made the constructor of the singleton class private. So why do we make the constructor private? Well, so that no one other than this class can make an object of this class. Now that might sound difficult, but we can make a function that returns the object of this class. And where is the object of this class? Well, the object of the class will reside inside the class as a static class parameter. By the way, we are making it static so that it does not require us to create a new object, which I hope you understand we cannot do anyways with our constructor being private. Okay, cool. We have the class almost set up now, but um, how do you get the static object from the class? Well, we can make the parameter public. Well, we can do that. If the object is not initialized, we may end up with a null pointer exception. So we need to have a function that checks if the object is initialized or not. If the object is initialized, it will simply return the object. If the object isn't initialized though, what it will do is create a new instance of that object and that instance will be returned. All in all, this design pattern is not used a lot and I'll explain in a later video why. But for the purposes of starting the journey on learning design patterns, this is what I thought we should start with. Try to apply this design pattern somewhere in your project and hope you found this video informative. If you'd like a video on some specific topic, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks.